If you're looking for a way to make money online and you want to do it fast and easy, and like me, you hate selling, stick with me. You'll love what I'm going to share. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you'll support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've done it full time for over 20 years now. And I do it not just for the money, but the time freedom too. I love being able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are busy at their jobs. And all you need is the right opportunity and the right way to build it, and you can set yourself free too. Over the years, I've built several different businesses online. I've done both traditional network marketing and affiliate marketing. Again, my criteria for choosing a business is not just income potential, but also being able to leverage my time to create time freedom too. Any business I've built relies heavily on automation. That's how you leverage your time. I spent years learning to master online marketing. One of the things I got really good at is building an email list and marketing to it. I've always thought of my list as my most valuable marketing tool. I rely heavily on a good sales funnel too, not just because of the automation, but for the multiple exposures to an offer. A good sales funnel and effective email marketing is my specialty. But just recently, I tested and adopted a shortcut to the process. It may be the fastest and easiest way yet to make money online. The offer I'm promoting is unique. This shortcut strategy gets phenomenal results with it, but it may not work as well with other offers. See, the offer I promote is different, really different. Even without the shortcut I'm going to share, I think it's the fastest and easiest way yet to make money online. And if you're already building another business, I still encourage you to take a close look. I originally saw this new business as an additional income stream or maybe as a lead magnet. Now it's my primary focus. It's an amazingly simple home business that anyone can do. No prior experience is needed. Everyday people from all over the world are having big success. Because of automation, it only takes a few hours per week at your convenience. Remember, I'm all about time freedom too. And as for the money, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. Plus, it pays recurring income. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. And I know you're wondering about costs. Well, this is the most affordable home business I know of. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of overpriced stuff every month just to qualify to get paid. In fact, you don't have to purchase anything. I think it's the most irresistible, high-converting offer I've ever seen. It's exactly what so many people are looking for, but many don't even realize such a thing exists. Now, for my shortcut strategy. All I do is give people the link to a simple one-page website with a short video that does all the work. No opting in on a sales page, no waiting on follow-up emails. The video encouraged people to grab a free spot on my team so they can kind of test drive the business and start building an income while they're checking it out before they've invested a dime. It's pretty hard to say no to an offer like that. Check it out for yourself. Go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. We'll talk soon.